how to connect Moonbix Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect Moonbix Wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Moonbix app by using Telegram app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you will land on a page where you need to tap option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then it will ask you to install the Binance application. After that, bind your Binance account, sign up, and complete the identity verification process. If you haven't already created a Binance account, install the Binance application, sign up, and verify your account. Once done, you can easily connect your Binance application with the Moonbix wallet. Then, after completing the setup, go to the home page of the Moonbix wallet. Over here, you can do daily check-ins and complete tasks to earn coins. When an airdrop launches, it will appear on Binance since it is tied up with Binance. So, that's how you can connect Moonbix wallet. That's all for this video.